Ever wondered if digital marketing could really make you money, especially if you're juggling parenting, life, and or work? I'm Cece and I help busy parents make $900 a day with just 2 hours of work. Digital marketing might sound complicated, but it's actually more accessible than you might think. Imagine making a full-time income without having to leave home if you don't want to, or without having to add hours on end to your already busy cram-packed schedule. The other great thing about digital marketing is that it is very beginner friendly. So it has a low startup cost. You can fit it around your schedule, so it's very, very flexible to get in those 2 hours. So you don't have to do a whole 2 hour chunk all at once. You can split that up in between nap times or work or whatever else you have going on in your life. And you don't have to have a big social media following to get started. You can also start small and grow from there. So you can take 2 hours a day and work 30 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes at lunchtime, 30 minutes at night, and then maybe another hour chunk after the kids go to bed or something like that. Whatever works best for your schedule. We have thousands of people in our community who are seeing success with digital marketing. These are everyday people just like you and me that are parents or have full-time jobs that are adding this on in addition until they grow their business where they can then retire if they so choose from their 9 to 5s. Every day you wait without getting started is a day you're missing out on potential income. Think what an extra $900 a day could do for your family. How much less stressed you would be living in today's economy. We have a course that shows you step by step how to get your business up and running on autopilot with just 2 hours a day of income earning activities, so that then it is running on autopilot in the background while you're spending time at your 9 to 5 or with your family or doing those things that you love. It truly only takes 2 hours a day in this business to be successful. You owe it to yourself and your family to look into this opportunity. So if this is something that interests you, be sure and hit that subscribe button and check the details below for more information on this blueprint.